Here we are in Chapter 1 review exercises with numbers 40 through 53 and the solutions to them. Simplify each expression. These are dealing with the rules of exponents. Anything to the 0 power on number 40 is 1. So that's 1. So this is just going to be p to the 4th. Number 41, 11 to the negative 2 power. Negative exponents, put it on the bottom. So this is 1 over 11 squared. That's going to be 1 over 121. Excellent. Number 42. This is just straight multiplication, so this is going to be 5 times 3 is 15. X to the 4th times x squared is x to the, we add those two exponents, that's x to the 6th when we are multiplying. And we are multiplying the y's, y cubed times y to the negative 7 will give us y to the negative 4. Now that's correct, but we're not done yet. It said to simplify it completely, and that usually means getting rid of all negative exponents. So this is going to be 15x to the 6th, and this guy, negative exponent, shoves it down to the bottom, y to the 4th. Excellent. Number 43, we get 2 to the negative 3, m to the negative 3 over n to the 5th to the negative 3, that's n to the negative 15th. Now, negative exponents, move them. So the m to the negative 3 goes down as an m cubed. The n to the negative 15th goes up to the top as an n to the 15th power. And then the 2 to the negative 3 goes down to the bottom as a 2 to the 3rd power, which is 8. So that would be the answer to that one. All right, number 44. This is 64 times, this is 1 over negative 5 squared. So that's 64 times 1 over 25, so 64 25ths. Good. And now number 45. Ooh, this is kind of a big one. Good thing we have some space here. This is going to be 2 to the negative 5. P to the negative 5 to the negative 5, we multiply exponents. That's to the positive 25. Then Q to the negative 35 all over p to the 3 times negative 5, p to the negative 15th power, and q to the negative 10. Okay, let's move all these negative exponents. This 2 to the negative 5th becomes a 2 to the 5th on the bottom. The p to the negative 15 goes up to the top, so we have a p to the 15th and a p to the 25th up on top. Then the q to the negative 35 will go down, and we get a q to the 35 here, and a q to the 10, because that guy will move to the top. All right, what does that give us? These two are multiplying, so we can add those together, and we get p to the 40th power. And then 2 to the 5th is 32, and q to the 35th, q to the 10th, we are subtracting, and the bottom wins, so we get a q to the 25th power on the bottom. Wow, that was a big one. All right, number 46. Find the additive inverses. What are additive inverses? Those are opposites. So this guy is negative 8, and this guy is going to be positive 3/5. Excellent. Multiplicative inverses. What are multiplicative inverses? Those are reciprocals. So this is negative 5 over 1, and this one is 7 over 3. That's all you needed to do for those two. Okay, number 50. Combine like terms and simplify. So you'll jump these guys in, and you'll have negative 10z minus 15z to the 2nd power y. Notice we're adding exponents, a 1 and a 1, and then this becomes plus 35z cubed. Are there any like terms? There are not. So we're kind of stuck right there. All right, number 51. There are x's, but you can't put them together because this guy is stuck inside this parentheses, set of parentheses, and that's stuck in that set of parentheses. So when we distribute, the parentheses will be gone. 4x plus 28 minus 2x plus 18. Make sure you're okay with that plus 18. This is a negative 2 that jumps in there. So we get 2x plus 46. There we go. Okay, number 52. This is 6y plus 21 minus 2y minus 18. Again, there's that negative 2 jumping in. So 6y minus 2y is 4y, plus 21 minus 18 is plus 3. And the last one is a large one. All right. So starting from the inside out with the parentheses, that becomes 4x minus 20 plus 1. That's all in this bracket. Minus 16x plus 12. And then we have the braces around here with a negative 3 out front. Okay, so far so good. We got rid of the parentheses. Oh, I should mark what we did there, jump that guy in. Let's get rid of the bracket. There's nothing right in front of the bracket to jump in, so these are actually useless. I'll write the whole thing down. 4x minus 20 plus 1 minus 16x plus 12. Now, if there were a 4 or a 3 or a 2 right there, we would have jumped those in, or even a minus sign. All right, into the braces there. Let's simplify this down. Negative 3, let me see, 4x minus 16x, that's negative 12x. Minus 20 plus 1 is negative 19, plus 12 is a minus 7. All righty. Now, last thing, we can jump that in and clear out the braces, and we get positive 36x plus 21. Excellent.